Alright, I'm doing a Csgo case opening tonight. It's really late. I'm doing 2 Danger Zones, 1 Horizon, 1 Prisma, 1 Spectrum, so 5 cases. I'm gonna start with the Danger Zone cases. I really like these 2 skins are so sick, but alright. Come on, man, give me something good. Oh my god, bro. I mean, at least it's stat track, I guess, but... Dude. Come on. Field tested. Alright, I'm gonna just do the Spectrum 2 second. Yeah. I'd be happy with just about anything but a blue. Come on. Saw the red. Fuck, man. Shit's goofy. Fuck this gun. Minimal wear. Alright, let's go for the Prisma. Come on, Prisma. Don't let me down. Oh my god. Alright. Come on, Prisma. Give me something good. Give me something good. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Factory new at least. That's cool. It's actually not bad. Alright, let's go for another Danger Zone. Fuck, dude. What the fuck? Fucking well-worn bullshit. Battle scarred. Fuck. So shit. Alright. Last case, boys. Or girls. I don't know, dude. I just want to open this, get it over with. I'm gonna get fucking shit. I want a code red. Give me fucking code red. Give me a Desert Eagle code red, you motherfucker. Oh, fuck you. Oh my god, dude. Fuck this skin.